Yo, what's up, y'all? This is the second trade recap. So today we had a break-even trade. We took a little profit just to be in that range for a 3 winning trade, so I could pass the funded. If y'all watched the last episode, you get what I'm saying a little bit better. But let's get straight into it. So on the 4 hour, we saw a broke structure with a downtrend. Uh, I was a little. I'm not gonna honestly. This wasn't the best trade. Like yesterday trade was a very beautiful trade, but broke structure, downtrend. You could consider this a breaker structure again because it did engulf those two candles. Going in the uptrend, if you wanna, or you can, but like I wasn't. I was like, I realized after I took the trade that it wasn't really the best trade, honestly. But I was already in it, and like once I entered the trade, I just let the trade play out, just so I could learn my lesson. But on the 4 hour, we have the break and retest. Daily, also very ugly. It's not really in a downtrend. It's more in an uptrend if you wanna. Broke up here, never broke this low right here, so still considering a uptrend. But if you want to consider this a higher low, it did break this, but that's not really like a what's the word, like a the obvious, or like it's not out, like you can't really just see it, like you gotta really look at it. I hope y'all understand what I'm trying to say. But 2 hour 2 hour was bullish, clear uptrend on the 2 hour. This is a very ugly trade, honestly. I should never enter this, but I was just trying to make that money back. I'm not gonna lie, but we entered off of this engulfing right here. Waited for a little pullback to get that 1 to 2, like a little bit up here, something like that. Stop 50 pips above the area of interest or the level of resistance. Entered off of this engulfing. We're in drawdown for a bit. Came up, engulfing right here, also pushing us into profit. Once we got into profit, I immediately took my price and put it to break even because this trade it's not a very good trade. I mean, it gave me all my confluences and everything. It's a nice double top right here. Change of structure right here, making it a downtrend. When I entered off of this engulfing, it broke structure right here. Pullback with the engulfing. But this trade, break even. Honestly, I thought that I didn't really want to trade today because I knew my head wasn't in the right space because of yesterday's loss. I was like very greedy to try to make that loss back. I should have honestly stayed away from the charts today, but I'm glad that I recognized that. I'm glad I was able to get a break even as well. So we're still in it. We get the trade next week. That's all that really matters. We're gonna continue staying patient, showing up every day, getting 1% better, and I'll catch you on the next trade recap.